Hi, it's Riz here from DS All-in-One Solution. Today actually I want to show you for the DTS gate motor how to connect the remote, for like if it's the DTS remote not working, how can you aid the external receiver on the motor, then you can use the other remote like even the Centurion, the Shallow, the Sentry remote, so you can use it. So this is the motor for the DTS, right, and this is the PC board. So what you do, this is the shallow receiver, right, and this is the one also for DTS external receiver. So it's very easy to connect it. This is the first have to connect the positive, right, the positive is always right, and there is a negative, the black, right, and the negative and the comb you have to connect together, right, and then you just have to connect. Sorry, this is not clear. Yeah, so normally close NC, right, NC have, this is a important wire for the NC, so let me show you NC wire. This is the green one, you can see this is a green wire. So the green wire have to be here on the BT, you can see the BT, right. So the first one, the output for the 12 volt, the second is the status, the fifth one for the BT, right. So they normally close, normally open one, right, NC normally open have to be connected to the BT, right. This is the positive, right, there is a red one, the 12 volt, and the black one is for the negative, right. And you must remember the negative one, put the bridge on the, put the bridge from the negative to the comb, right. And how to set the remote, when you make it on, just you press one time of this button, right, just press once, and then you can press the remote button, then you can set it up. Is you're gonna hear the beep for the once, then you have to press again, then you hear the two beeps tt, then means you already set it. So this is very easy, and the programming also, and this one for the for the set, this one for the set the limit for the DTS motor, and this one is a pedal. Like if you don't want to open the full gate, just for the little bit, for the, if you have a housemaid, you don't have a car, so you can set it up the remote, when you press the remote, then you will open only little bit, not gonna be full the gate, right. And this jumper setting have to be on this one, all of them is make it on, right. And if it's auto close, then you just put on number 3, right. So this is very simple. If it's anything, like you can even leave the comments on the video, then if you don't understand, then I will help you also on the comments, right. Thank you very much guys for watching.